Hello, everyone. Welcome to New Tech. I am with another quick tutorial. How to check if your drive is an SSD or an HDD. Now, let's start. First, using Defragment and optimize drives. Move your cursor to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the Windows logo icon. Next, select Settings. Once you are in Settings, navigate the System. Then, go to Storage. Under the More Storage settings, select Optimize Drives. Here, you will see your disk media type, either solid-state drive for SSD or hard disk drive for HDD. Next, using Task Manager. Move your cursor to the bottom of the screen and right-click on an empty space in the taskbar. Then, select Task Manager. Once you are in Task Manager, navigate to Performance. Here, you will see if your disk is SSD or HDD. Next, using Windows PowerShell. Move your cursor to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the Windows search box. Then, type PowerShell. After that, select Windows PowerShell app from the search results. Once you are in Windows PowerShell, type get-physical disk and hit Enter. Here, you will see your disk media type, either SSD or HDD. Last but not least, using Tenorshare for DDIG data recovery. Download and install Tenorshare for DDIG data recovery software from its official website. Then, open Tenorshare for DDIG application from the Start menu. Once you are in Tenorshare for DDIG software, navigate to Hard Drive. Here, you will see each disk partition drive, whether it is SSD or HDD. Okay. That's it for today. I will see you in the next tutorial, with amazing and interesting topics. And, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.